Wat ben je in die doos aan het doen? Hey! What is going on here? Come here! Hey! What the fuck is going on? Laat me zien. Laat me wak.
No, wak. Nico, no.
Hey! Hallo?
Bye.
Taki mo diyan. No. Hallo? Carajo. What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a vlog, probably a multiple day vlog, but it is a Wednesday as I'm filming this. It is 10:30. I just got out of bed. I slept in a little bit and I'm now about to make a morning drink and maybe also some a yogurt bowl or something. And what else is on the planning today? And then later after this I'm gonna edit a little bit. I have a video that I want to post tonight, so I need to finish that up, make it ready to post. And then after that I'm gonna get ready and Benni and I are gonna go to Choux Café because I need to shoot some content and Benni is gonna help me shoot it. It is for the brand Wear Glass. I will talk about them later and show you what it is that I am reviewing for them. And yeah, I'll show you later, so that's fine. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Yesterday we had a taxation for our apartment. I talked about it in one of my last vlogs and everything went well. The owner of our house never came after our house was completely furnished and all that, so we wanted to make sure he didn't regret not coming sooner. And luckily he was perfectly, he loved it. He loved what we did with the place and all that. But yeah, that's that. It was all good. And yeah, I'm now picking back up on my normal schedule, filming, vlogging, doing all the things that I need to do. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this vlog. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. And we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I just finished making my breakfast and now I'm about to make my little to-do list for the day and also a to-do list for my editing. I like working with to-do lists on a day-to-day basis because they really help me with my memory. They just help me remember everything that I need to get done. It helps me keep myself accountable. They also motivate me because it just motivates me to scratch something off or check something off my to-do list that I already got done. And they just increase my productivity because if I see like I have 3 things already done, like it really encourages me to get the 4th done and to, you know, finish off the list. So that's what I'm gonna do. Another thing I would like to say is just because the days are shorter now, which means like we have less daylight to work with, I like to not make myself crazy and put way too much stuff that is unrealistic on my to-do list. So I like to keep it short and that I at least can get like half of the things done that I write on there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. It's also just a tip. If you are struggling as well with being productive now that the days are shorter, then that's a really good tip. Like write down your to-do list, maybe even the night before, and don't put too much stuff on your to-do list so that you won't get disappointed when you can't finish it.
Baby, you get your way, nothing I can do.
Besar? En wat ben je in die doos aan het doen? Hey! What is going on here? Come here! Hey! What the fuck is going on? Benayo! Ik wil gaan compra. Wat heb je gekocht?
Kom kijken daar.
Laat me zien. Laat me wak.
No, wak.
Di ko no.
Nico, no.
Hey! Hallo?
Bye.
Taki mo diyan. No. Hallo? Carajo. Alright amiga, I finished editing my video. It's now producing so I can upload it to YouTube. And I'm now gonna pick an outfit and get ready for the day so that we can leave. It took a little bit longer than I wanted to, but all the video clips, you need to cut them onto time to what is happening with me and Benny in the video. It was a pain. If you haven't seen it yet, go watch it because that video probably won't be monetized since it is my YDK playlist. So go check it out. It's probably copyrighted. So I would appreciate if you would check it out if you're interested. But yeah, I'm now gonna get ready for the day, pick an outfit, and after Benny shower and all that. He's in the shower now. So yeah, let's get ready. Nee! Benaya, haal het weg. Haal het weg en onmiddellijk. Haal het weg! Benaya! Nou. I finished getting my makeup done and also my hair. I just put it up in a bun with a middle part, as you can see. Now I'm about to choose my perfume of the day. I don't really know what I want to do today. Maybe this one? What else is interesting? I think I'm gonna go with this today. We have some here as well. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. We have the little outfit, just the jeans, a tank top, and an oversized blazer on top. And still wearing my fluffy slides, but I'm gonna put on sneakers, I think. Should I close it and put my belt on top? Yeah, I think like this is cute. Perfect. Alright amiga, we are on our way to Choux Café. I don't know if you can see it, but it's already starting to get dark. So hopefully I can still take my pictures. But yeah, just wanted to give you a quick little update. We managed to leave the house. We are in the city now. And it's time for Choux Café. So excited. Hey amiga, we are back home. We had such a good time. I enjoyed being outside for a little bit, strolling around the city, seeing all the Christmas decor on the streets coming together. Like, it's not completely done yet in the streets, but I feel like it's coming, you know, the little lights and stuff. I really enjoyed it. And I really wanted to do a little rituals haul with you because we stopped at Rituals and we got a few things. We are a very big fan of self-care in this house, and even Benny is so into it. So I wanted to talk about all the things that we got today. Let me quickly get them out of the bag. All right, so the first thing we got from the yellow line, which is the Ritual of Mare line, we got the shower gel, and it smells like very citrusy and fresh. So this is very nice for in the morning. And then we also got the matching shower oil, and it also says energize your soul. I really feel like when I shower with this, I'm gonna be energized because that's what the scent reminds me of. So yeah, really happy with these and excited to try them out. Then we got a favorite that we're familiar with this one. It is the Ritual of Hammam, and it's the shower gel. This is really nice at night, but also like when you want to have like a little spa moment at home. It's a 10 out of 10, that scent. And then from that line, we also got the Deeply Purifying Hot Body Scrub with sea salt and eucalyptus. This is really nice. So the scent of this, you're really gonna feel like you're on a retreat or something. And then we also got the Soul Uplifting Body Cream with eucalyptus and rosemary. So that's all from the blue line. We got 3 things on that line. And then this is something for me especially. This is the Holy Moly from Rituals. It's a very fresh and fun scent, I would say. And just for the moments like when you want to feel like, you know, smelling good, feeling sexy and young. So yeah, that's how I would describe this one. And it says color your world with love. Like, that's exactly what it reminds me of. And then this is also from the Ritual of Holy. It is a body mist, and it is the Sugar Love one, which also, it smells like really fun, I would say. I don't know, if you like Rituals, I would definitely recommend smelling it when you are in one of their stores. Then we also stopped at Kruidvat. We got a few things there as well. Let me share them with you as well. The first thing I got is pads because the time of the month is coming up, so we needed that. Then we got 2 new loofahs, a pink one for me and a green one for Benny. We got another shower gel, and it is the Ultra Dew with almonds, I think. It smelled really soft. This is like for a cold winter morning or when it's really cold. This is gonna smell like very comfy and cozy. I don't know if I'm doing a good job describing things. I really hope so. Then I also got a new deodorant to try. This is the Zwitsal deodorant for 24 hours. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. It's the first time of me trying it, but they have like a little sale going on, 3 for 6 euros, I believe. So I decided to get 3. Hopefully I like it. I'll keep you posted. Then we got another few things. We got these mittens or gloves, whatever you want to call them, for like scrubbing and cleaning, exfoliating your body. So this color, like these are actual gloves, and another mitten. So, and then these things for in the toilet bowl, you know, to keep it smelling fresh. And we also got poke bowls. I'm really excited. I'm gonna eat that now. And then after that, I think I'm gonna do like a little spa night at home because I feel like it's very appropriate with all the stuff that I got. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna also call my mother because she has been blowing up my phone. I need to go see, I know what's going on, but I need to go see, talk to her. So I'm gonna do that now. My sister also texted me. So gonna catch up on life. And I'll see you maybe later.
when I think about yesterday.
Good morning, amiga. Today is Saturday. It's a few days later after the last time that I spoke to you. Benny and I just finished having our breakfast and now we are about to get started with the day. We're gonna make a seafood bowl for tonight because Benny's cousin with her little baby is visiting us, so we wanted to make something special for her visit here. So we're gonna do that now, and we're gonna make the seafood boil already just because it needs some time to like pull in all the flavors and stuff. So we're gonna do that now, and I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go.
I know I let you down. Should never find my way. Remember time. Remember time. Be lost without you. Be lost without you. Be lost without you.
Seafood bowl is ready. I am now about to get ready for the day because we need to go pick up Ayesha and Kaia from the train station. So yeah, I'm about to get ready for the day.
Release me, I'm moving on. Feel the speed of my ride. No worries no more, no, no. Here's your bitter goodbye. Like ooh. Feel the speed of my ride. Like ooh. I got faith by my side. I'm coming through. I'm finding new ways to be. You won't call me no more, you see. Now I'm loose, got no one in my way, and I want more from this world. I crave sunsets and ocean.
Amiga, I had to hurry, so we are now at the bus stop waiting for the bus to go pick up Ayesha and Kaia. By the way, I don't know if they want to be on film, so if they want to, you will see them, and if they don't, you won't. Just thought I would give that little heads up beforehand, but I will ask first, because not everybody likes to be on vlogs and on camera and that type of stuff. So yeah, but we're waiting for the bus and we're heading towards the station now. It is now a little bit later and Benny and I are both in the bedroom. We are on our laptops in bed, and that is just because Kaia is just a little girl. She's just 1 year old and she has a little schedule. So she was trying to sleep and we were waking her or keeping her awake because we don't have like a separate like bedroom for them to stay in, so they are staying in the living room, but therefore we moved to the bedroom. And I thought this was so funny, like look at us but on our screens. But yeah, we're gonna finish up our night like this, and I just spoke to Benny about it. I think tomorrow I'm gonna skip an upload. I need to update you guys about that though, but I'm gonna take a little break before Vlogmas starts because I will be posting I'm gonna aim for Sunday, Wednesdays and Fridays, so 3 times a week. I think that is enough for me. I have never like did like that much hardcore. Like yeah, last year I did 2 times a week, but this time I'm gonna try 3 times a week, and hopefully one day I will do 5 days or like, you know, the whole month. But for now 3 days is good for me. You know, I'm a very much of a perfectionist, so I'm gonna try to not overwhelm myself. And my dream schedule would be to post 3 times a week. So hopefully after Vlogmas I can like be in the flow to continue this. But yeah. Anyways, I spoke enough. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We are gonna continue to chill. I'm gonna finish editing and stuff and get my first Vlogmas video ready. So see you tomorrow. Hey amiga, I am here with Kaia. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. I wasn't able to really film while they were here. And yesterday Kaia wasn't feeling that well. It's Monday now and we already got ready. So we're about to head to the station. She is so cute. Say bye. Say hi to the vlog. She's starting to feel a little bit better, so that's great. But yeah, this is Kaia, and her mom and Ben are in the living room. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this video here because I've vlogged enough. It's getting a little bit long, so we're gonna head to the station in a little bit and then drop them off. And when we come back, I think I'm gonna start a new vlog. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is the first day of Vlogmas, so happy Vlogmas. It is the warm season, so be extra kind this month. And yeah, I'm nervous, but I'm also excited to do Vlogmas this year. Next video is gonna be, I think, a monthly reset, but also decorating for Christmas. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That video will be up on Friday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in our next video. Say bye, Kaia. Say bye-bye. She's not impressed.